The Tale of the Monkey and the Turtle. Ang kwento ni Matsing at ni Pagong. One day, the monkey and the turtle found a banana tree floating amidst the waves of a river. Isang araw, ang Matsing at ang Pagong ay nakakita ng isang puno ng saging na lumulutang sa mga alon ng isang ilog. It was a very beautiful tree with large green leaves and roots, as if it had been plucked out by a storm. Napakaganda ng puno. May malalaking berdeng dahon at mga ugat na parang binunot ito ng isang bagyo. The monkey and the turtle took the banana tree ashore. Dinala ng Matsing at Pagong ang puno ng saging sa tabing ilog. "Let's split it," said the turtle, "and let's both plant each part." "Paghatian natin ito," sabi ng Pagong, "at itanim nating dalawa ang bawat bahagi." They cut the banana tree in half. Pinutol nila ang puno ng saging sa gitna. The monkey, who was stronger, took the top part of the tree, thinking that it would grow quicker since it already had leaves. Ang Matsing, na siyang mas malakas, ang kumuha ng itaas na bahagi ng puno dahil akala niya na mas mabilis itong lalaki dahil meron na itong mga dahon. The turtle, who wasn't as strong, got the lower part of the tree that looked ugly but had roots. Ang Pagong, na hindi gaanong malakas, ang nakakuha ng ibabang bahagi ng puno na mukhang pangit pero may mga ugat. After a few days, they met up. Pagkalipas ng ilang araw, nagkita sila. "Hello, monkey," said the turtle. "How is your banana tree?" "Kamusta, Matsing?" sabi ng Pagong. "Kamusta na ang iyong puno ng saging?" "Oh my, it has been dead for a long time," answered the monkey. "Ay nako, matagal na itong patay," ang sagot ng Matsing. "And yours, turtle? How is your banana tree?" "At yung sayo, Pagong? Kamusta na ang iyong puno ng saging?" "My tree is very beautiful. It has leaves and fruits." "Napakaganda ng puno ko. May mga dahon ito at prutas."